Public Library Youth Services, and today for our stay at home video we are going to be growing our very own rainbow. That might sound really hard, but guess what? It's super easy, and all you need for our project are markers. Any markers you have at home are going to do. I have the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Does anyone know why I have those colors? That's right, because that is the colors we need to make our rainbow. Then I have a piece of paper towel. You don't have to cut it any specific size. I think this is maybe 3 or 4 inches wide, and then it's just the normal strip long. So, and all you need is just one piece for however many people are making a rainbow, and then 2 cups. And I filled them with water. It doesn't need to be a specific amount, just 2 that are about equal, okay? So again, we just need our 2 cups of water, a strip of paper towel, and our markers in the color of a rainbow, which again is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And if you have indigo or violet, you could add that too. But I don't have that, so we're just going to use purple today. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to move my camera down here for you. My markers tend to bleed a little bit, and that means they tend to run through the paper. So I am just going to stick a piece of scrap paper underneath here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to be coloring in just little rectangle shapes, rectangle size strips at the bottom tip of our paper towel, and we're going to use all the colors. So I'm starting with red, and the coloring doesn't have to be perfect, just fill it in there. Next I'm going to go to orange, I love to see rainbows after the rain comes out. When the rain finishes and a rainbow comes out over your house, I love to see that. Next, we're going to move on to yellow. Where else do you like to see rainbows? Maybe inside of a bubble that you're blowing? I'd love to hear where you guys like to see your rainbow. So right now I've already done red, orange, yellow. Next, green, same color as my tablecloth here. Uh-oh, I'm running out of room. I did my rectangles too big, but that's okay. It's not really gonna matter. So far, this is what I have so far. So I maybe made my red and my orange just a little too wide. Okay, so my blue and my purple will be a little bit skinnier. It's an experiment, so we'll see what happens. What is that going to do for our rainbow? We'll have to find out. Lastly, coloring in my purple here. So the next part of our step, okay, so this bottom of the paper towel here, I've just colored in the different colors. So now we're going to flip over our paper towel, but the trick is we're going to want to match our colors. So we want to almost do the rainbow in reverse order depending on how you color it. So I like to flip mine this way. So now I need to start at the bottom of the rainbow with purple. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So I finished coloring in my paper towel. So on either end I've got my different colors, and this is where the fun part comes in. So now I'm just going to dip each end of my paper towel into the water. So what's going to happen? The water is going to soak into the paper towel, and because these markers, the ink is water soluble, it is now going to travel up the paper towel. So can you already see this happening? Can you see the colors moving? So because we're doing this on both sides, the colors are going to end up meeting together. Can you see? It's already getting bigger. Our rainbow is growing. So it's eventually going to connect in the middle, and we're going to have a fully grown rainbow. And all we needed was markers, paper towel, and a cup, 2 cups and water. Pretty easy, huh? See if you can see it growing. So you'll have to let me know in the comments, how long did it take your rainbow to meet in the middle? Maybe you can use a hypothesis and experimentation to find out, maybe if you color your strips bigger, will the rainbow grow faster? If you add more water, does that make the rainbow grow faster? That's kind of tricky to say fast together, isn't it? Grow your rainbow. It was a tongue twister for Miss Allie. So, do you know what a hypothesis is in science? That is when you make a guess of what you think is going to happen. And then you experiment, and that's when you put it into action with your different water, your different strips of color, and then you find out what your results are going to be. So I hope you little scientists have fun with today's stay-at-home STEAM project and that you will grow your own rainbow. Have a great day. Bye.